So she asked me if I would be down to go down into the grave, right? So
I saw that.
Crawled into the grave and opened up the thing, and I didn't get hard. And I want to say that's a great ending.
Wow, congratulations. It also seems like they really captured her. Double buried her. Cremated, a cremation container, and then a metal box.
5 cloves of garlic.
What exactly are you trying to do? Because that was an accident.
Oh man, you on point with it. You up there in age, but you still got it.
You're like a YouTube video.
Hey, take it easy, man.
You too, man.
And his tunic was smudged with grease. He was bent over a table, working on some kind of long metal patchwork, like a swath of chainmail. He picked up a delicate curl of bronze.
What?
I said I love that for me.
Oh shit! Holy shit! Oh my god, I have to turn around and see if these people are okay. I just saw an insane accident.
You fucking prick!